It's Sunday, December 26th, and I had my rain gauge out and I was doing accumulation of all the rain that we were getting, but my nephew had other ideas for that, so hopefully he won't find it hidden there, because he definitely found it over there. Dumped it all. We were just under 3 inches, and that rain gauge, and obviously this rain gauge, and that one over there, and the grass, and one over there, should all be the same. That was rain from the evening yesterday. Yeah, we had a pretty good little downpour, so we did that. So we got another rainstorm coming supposedly tomorrow, so we'll find out. But anyway, that's what's going on here. Oh man. Alright, everywhere I look, there's clumps of poana. Look at that. Look at those seed heads. I do have a lot of fungal problems, as you can see. Still have a lot of problems. We'll have to straighten those out too. I don't know where this trash came from. Doesn't just blow in, so it is all wet. I never cleaned up over here. So I gotta finish cleaning this up. Cleaning out that. Weeds growing over here again. But I had a nice relaxing weekend. Did a little bit of work over the weekend to make more money. Well, there's the update on the yard. Do a lot of repairing of this. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday. See how accurate that is. Huh? Well, it's Monday, December 27th. It's like 4:30. Just got done raining here, and you can see that's how much it's rained since this morning. I dumped those things this morning, so let's see. Unspoiled, yeah, close to half an inch. It is pretty cold here. I think it's 48. Got more rain coming for Wednesday, apparently. So, New Year's. I might be set up for New Year's to mow again. Happy New Year, everyone. I didn't get the New Year's I was hoping for. Got sick New Year's Eve. It's not Monday, the 3rd. Sick as a dog, so I haven't been able to come out. It's actually my first time out since Thursday. We had a lot of rain last week, and I wanted to come out and show how much rain we got. Thursday it didn't stop, so I waited till Friday, but I woke up and I wasn't feeling good. And I haven't been outside since. So it's what, noon? No, almost noon. It's my first time coming out. I want to look at my rain gauge. I haven't seen it. So there's probably been a little bit of evaporation, but let's check it out. Yeah, I'll say that's almost full. That was a pretty good amount of rain. Poana's doing really good. But this right here, you can see a lot of this. A lot of sand in here. Don't know why there's sand, unless it's all up in there. I'm gonna have to try to get something to get up in there. I'll figure something out, but this ground is just, I don't know. I mean, some of this isn't even grass worth keeping. This isn't grass anyways. So I don't know exactly what I have, if I got the flu or what. All I know is my head was like it's gonna explode. I'm coughing like crazy. Was gonna go, well, spent the morning looking for a place to go get tested, so I have to do that for work. And here in California we have new mandates here, and there's literally no place to go get tested this week, and I have to do it weekly. How do you schedule an appointment to get tested when there's nothing available? Well, here we are. It's now Tuesday the 4th. I had to look up exactly what we got last year. Last year we had about 2 inches of rain, and normal for us is about 15 inches of rain, and we are now at right around 11 inches of rain. We're at like 240% our total rainfall right now, which is awesome. So that is pretty much California, so you can understand my excitement for rain, sort of, in a way. Excuse me. So today I had to go get tested for, you know what, so I'm off work until I get my results stating if I'm positive or negative. So I feel a little bit better than yesterday. I wanted to get out of the house. Tired of being inside the house. Cooped up in my bedroom for 4 days. Wasn't fun. I bought a water flow meter. I'm just curious to know how much water I actually use for the yard. So this thing was kind of cheap. It was on Amazon. You can tell it's an Amazon product. But if it works, and I can get more of an accurate idea how much water. And this will be really cool because then I can know year after year how much water it takes for that yard. And the last thing for 2022 is I need to get a new lawnmower. Since I live in California, I got like a year or two to be able to buy a gas powered one before I forced to buy a battery powered. I swear it's not worth living in Oxnard, or it's not worth living in California anymore. Till next time, folks. Happy New Year. I'll see you next video.